Namaskar everyone. Right now I am beside our pond. A pond has a very significant role in our village life. Though this video is not going to be on the importance of pond, basically I am going to show you in this video how we do our pond fishing through this video. Hope you will like it and you will enjoy it. Here my father-in-law is catching fish with a cast net from our pond. What a big catch! Rohu fish. And Anabas is here. In this bucket there are lot of fish. Anabas, Lilentica. How it will be cooked today. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed, please hit the like button and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.